What's the meaning of arrayed? Arrayed. Arrayed.
Arrayed. Arrayed. The word parade can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One meaning is that it refers to something being arranged or organized in a particular order or formation. This could apply to a group of objects, people, or even abstract concepts such as ideas or arguments. When something is arrayed, it can be visually appealing and easy to understand. Overall, arrayed suggests a deliberate and thoughtful approach to organization and presentation.